Or
So,
they have all of these different categories of things. Just choose.
But how do you know, like, what if you're sitting there and you want to read somebody's blog? You know what I mean? Like,
You just put in,
I
like
like
somebody
the top look.
or,
I don't like
or
this
a subject.
let's just say, like, what if he started one on, like, you know, dealing with divorce, or dealing with something
Digital.
like that, you know, like,
You just come up with, a title. You know, like where is this design?
This is the one I bought in Cleveland.
Like she's saying, you were telling me
And then this is the one I bought in Cleveland. So I'm gonna flip when I come back.
And then you get all these blogs that people,
it's nothing.
I know it's a
people
thing.
write. It
Huh?
just
is there any hair?
This is the one that I bought in
like,
Cleveland.
Can you read it, like,
I'm gonna take to New York
stylist
and then sell when I get back.
hairstylist blog?
I said I wanted to paint.
I'm sure.
Look over
Do you
there.
have a blog?
Is there a paint
You
around
do?
here? No. You know
Talk
why?
me into it.
Not if I do that.
She
I'm
wouldn't,
entitled to my
she
view
pulls
of
this card from everyone.
Absolutely right.
Just, yeah, I don't know, you should create a blog. You should create a blog.
What's your blog about?
Anyhow, what do you my feet? That's all I need, some nosy farmers there to my feet over there. Me start hammering that